In another preventable accident, an employee tried to cross over an open mechanic pit instead of walking around it. He slipped and fell. Watch this tire explode during inflation. The cause, overinflation. The tire was stressed beyond its capacity, leading to a violent rupture that sent it flying through the air. What happens when one forklift isn't enough? Some workers decided to lift a second, already loaded forklift straight up to the second floor. This is a severe case of reckless. Dan opens the bonnet and starts tweaking the engine. The car, a manual, is left in gear, unsecured. Oh, no handbrake. The engine suddenly engages. The car accelerates without warning. A man operates a 30-ton demolition excavator to bring down an old building and nearly gets crushed when the structure collapses on top of him. Local reports say he survived uninjured. But looking at this footage, it should have been so much worse. The pit misjudgment. He thought the pit was solid ground, but it wasn't. Stepping off the concrete edge was a massive misjudgment. Never assume the surface beneath your feet can hold your weight. One wrong step, runaway equipment. This video highlights the absolute most important rule when it comes to runaway equipment. Never try to stop it yourself. Tree felling accident. They aimed for the yard but hit the house instead. Forklift pedestrian zone. The forklift is driving on its assigned route when a worker abruptly cuts across the path and steps directly into the danger zone. Missing safety barriers. This area was missing a panel, and it should have been barricaded using tape, cones, or unbalanced cart collapse. Always center your load before moving a cart. These panels are stacked too far to one edge. As soon as the worker gives it a push, the unbalanced weight takes over. Metal cover plate collapse. This man steps on a large metal cover plate to get a better angle. This video powerfully illustrates the risk workers face when their standing position is too close to suspended loads. Areas directly under, or in the potential swing path of, materials like these massive steel coils are extremely dangerous zones. One sudden shift, one snapped cable, one moment of imbalance, and the consequences can be fatal. It's crucial for personnel to recognize these danger zones and always maintain a safe distance from any suspended load. But distance is not caution, it's survival. Moving conveyor belts create dangerous pinch and nip points, and they don't give second chances. Always ensure machinery is properly guarded. Fortunately, in this case, the worker reacts quickly to help his colleague, pulling him free before the situation could turn catastrophic. Quick thinking saved a life, but proper guarding could have prevented the danger entirely. This video highlights the danger of working with unsecured heavy materials, even when stored on racks. As the workers attempt to access the sheets, the stack becomes unstable and collapses without warning. Always ensure heavy sheets are safely stored, potentially using... Imagine an overhead crane hoisting heavy steel plates when, without warning, a wire rope snaps and the plates crash to the ground. In another case, a bundle of aluminum pieces slips from a loose strap and falls uncontrolled. A worker slips on a wet floor. But this isn't just any spill, it's hot liquid. The result could be severe burns on top of a serious fall. Hey! Always clean up spills immediately, wear non-slip footwear, and handle hot liquids with extreme care. A 2-second cleanup, picture a dump truck attempting to unload sticky, highly viscous soil. The material refuses to slide out. As the bed lifts higher, the unbalanced weight shifts, and the entire truck tips over. Leaving the tailgate down makes it worse. The tailgate must be retracted when moving the truck. And always use a designated spotter to prevent collisions. And on ladders, an unsafe ladder, poor technique, or standing on a speeding car crashes through a railway barrier and races across the tracks. An oncoming train passes just inches behind it. The driver misses disaster by a split second. It's a miracle nobody is hurt, but it's also a clear warning. Never gamble with trains. In Washington, a 25-year-old driver gets stuck on the tracks while towing a low trailer carrying a huge Caterpillar wheel loader. He tries to move but can't. When he hears the train horn, he runs for safety. Seconds later, the train hits a cyclist rides across a railway crossing when he suddenly hears a train horn. He has just 1 second to decide: save his bike or save himself. He jumps off and runs. Mobile work platforms are designed to be moved only when empty. This incident proves that without proper training and adherence to the rule of always clearing the scaffold before moving it, the structure becomes a dangerous mechanism that... Here it appears this woman set up the ladder on the very edge of the roof where it could easily slip. She should have had the upper portion of the ladder a little over the roof's upper lip. Technicians are urged to follow strict safety protocols before performing any maintenance on electric water boilers. Always wear protective gear. Turn off the boiler's electricity at the main breaker. This incident demonstrates that unsafe, unsecured storage, combined with concurrent work directly beneath unstable loads, is a recipe for cascading injury risk in any warehousing or storage operation. This CCTV footage captures a dangerous load collapse where unsecured metal cages slid off a forklift. The accident occurred because the driver attempted to move a tall, unbound stack without proper securing. No one was reported to have sustained injuries in the incident. The failure to properly mark, barrier, or cover this massive hole, coupled with the two men... This video shows a routine job of towing a faulty car going terribly wrong due to operator negligence. The tow truck driver simply forgot to secure the front tires of the Mercedes onto the flatbed. Huge flames surged into the air after this man dropped the match he had used. The fire reached a trucker who was filling his truck with diesel just a few feet away. Luckily, no one was injured, with the petrol station attendant reacting within seconds by using a fire extinguisher to put out the blaze. During the dismantling of a water tower in China, a construction crane suddenly broke off, sending the top of the water tower and the machinery crashing to the ground. Routine day on the factory floor. Workers are near the machinery when suddenly a high-pressure spray erupts from the top of the equipment. Within seconds, fire ignites where the liquid meets sparks. The workers run as flames spread rapidly along the machine. Then, a massive, blinding explosion. Multi-ton pieces of steel are violently hurled through the air like missiles. What started as a minor leak became a catastrophic failure in less than 20 seconds. This is why pressure systems require constant monitoring and immediate shutdown protocols when anomalies occur. Foundry, where molten metal explosions are among the deadliest hazards. Watch as fire erupts from the vessel. First small, then a violent geyser of glowing orange metal shoots into the air. But the crane operator doesn't panic. With calm, precise movements, he follows emergency protocol, moving the damaged equipment away from workers. This professional response likely saved lives. Proper training and staying calm under pressure make the difference between disaster and survival. A metal recycling facility. The forklift driver dumps scrap metal into the furnace, and instantly a violent explosion erupts, engulfing his cab in flames. In a split second, he slams into reverse and speeds away from the inferno. The slow-motion replay shows he escaped by inches. The likely cause? Moisture in the scrap metal turning to explosive steam. This shows why operators must always be prepared to react, and why wet